Hey, what's up everybody? Just wanted to check in and make this quick video because I've been asked this question a few times this week regarding the carbon fiber, no, not carbon fiber, sorry, the rear diffuser. It's made of plastic, it's not carbon fiber. Anyways, it's from Ikon. It's a rear diffuser that I feel it completes the rear end of the charger, and I've had this I think a year. It's about the same time last year when my son and I installed this video. I'm gonna link the video of that install here within this video or in the description below. But just wanted to check in to show you guys how it looks like after a year, because a lot of people has criticized this diffuser as, you know, poorly made. But I've had this about a year and you can see it still looks pretty good. I mean, it's clean, it doesn't have any cracks on it, and it's a pretty straightforward installation. As you can see there, the plastic is the same, I would say, thickness and consistency as the one that was in here originally from Dodge. So it's not anything, you know, overly cheap or anything like that. Hey, the plastic came from Dodge was about the same. So as you can see, it still looks pretty good. Let's see if I can show you guys the bottom slowly as I can. So there are screws in there holding it in place. And to me, it still looks pretty good after a year of using this product. So I bought this when it was not so expensive. I think I paid $130 for this, but I believe it's about $200 right now. I'll link where to get this in the description below. But if you're on the fence of buying this item, don't be. I mean, as you can see, I've had this a year. I drive the car all year round and no issues here. It looks pretty good. I believe finishes the rear end, as you can see, just makes it a lot prettier with that in there, or sportier, so to speak. Here's a better angle. So don't hesitate to get this. And if you're on the fence of trying to install it, you can install it yourself, no issue. It took me and my son maybe 20 minutes to get this installed. I'm gonna link a installation video along with this video. So yeah, if you have any other questions about that modification, just let me know. I plan on doing a few more mods. I think this year I'm gonna go, maybe in a month or so, I'm gonna go ahead and install the H&R springs for this car to get this, you know, wheel gap a little better in here. So that's something that I and my brother can just do in his garage, and we have the necessary tools to do that. So I will do that installation in a couple weeks and make a video out of it. See, you can see it's a little high here, but you know, it's inclined. It's a little lower if you really look at it. Probably on the other side is a lot better, but I doubt it. Yeah, other side's a little better. That's about the wheel gap. So you should lower a little bit more with an H&R springs. So anyways, hope this video helps you out in making that decision to get this item. I recommend it. It lasts me pretty good. It's not too expensive, but it is a modification that makes the rear end of the charger a lot more aggressive, a lot better looking. So there you go. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'd like to ask for your help. If you can click the like button on this video and share it if you can. I also need help, you know, gaining more subscribers, so sharing it and subscribing would be a lot of help. So thank you once again. Ask any questions below. I'll put all the links necessary so you can check this out for yourself. All right, take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.